So I found this at the Dollar Tree, so I just got two of really, boys, really. These are removable hooks. I'm not sure if they're sturdy enough, but I would be using this for my cricket mats, so hopefully it works. But yeah, they're just $1 for 3, so I got 2 of them. And this one is just an emergency flashlight. I think this is battery operated, but yeah, it's just useful for emergency. And I also found this night light that can be used in the bathroom, so you don't have to leave the lights on at night, and it's not too dark when you have to go to the bathroom. I got some plastic hangers. It's 7 pieces, so I think this is really indeed a value pack. And I want to show you this. These are a collapsible storage container. So they didn't have these designs before. They only had those like brown ones and like gray ones, but I think I like this design, especially if they're in my craft room. So I got 3 of them, and I'll probably put it on the bottom of my shelf. And then these ones are for gardening. So I always wanted to get some of this garden stake, but they run out really quick. So like during springtime, they're gone. So whenever you see stuff like this, you have to get it right away, because if it's already the season, you wouldn't really see this anymore. Like if you go there March, April, these are gone. You just have to wait for another year to get this. And I like the butterfly design, so it's so cute. This one has been popular. I'm not gonna use it in the kitchen. I'm gonna probably use this in my craft room. So I actually got 4 of them. I thought I got 3, but I guess I got 4. So yeah, I'm gonna be organizing my craft room at some point, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour once I have done that. And then this one, I like using this for when I bake cookies. Like I always use this at the bottom as a base whenever I give or sell cookies. So this is just really good, and for $1 you get like 32 pieces of it, so I think this is a good deal as well. I like buying this spray. This spray is actually for like, I think, cosmetic spray, but I use this for cleaning supplies. So yeah, like I put Windex in it. And for tools, since I have been doing some keychains, I realized I needed more of the long nose plier. So yeah, it's just for $1, so why not? And I love this. So I got 4 of this. 2 says flowers and gardens, and the other one is, I think this is French, floors and harding, or I don't know, but I don't even know if I pronounced it correctly, but yep, I love this one. I'm excited to plant stuff. These ones are a fridge storage bin. I like it because I can, like, the fact that it has handles, so you can just put it there, and then when you need it, you can just pull it out. I think this is gonna be really useful in the fridge, so I wanted to try it on to organize our fridge more. And believe it or not, they actually have batteries there. So my husband needed some batteries and he asked me to get a lot, and so I did. And for just $1, you have 6 pieces already. But the Panasonic one is 4 for $1, but I think it's still not too bad. So I think that's actually a good deal. And this one is actually cool. So here is the label. So if you can see, it's so that's what it's gonna look like. So it's going to be like this. So it's a stackable planter, and they don't normally have this. So this is one of the things that when you see it, just buy it already, because if you wait for spring to get this, you're not gonna get it anymore. So we decided to get 6 of them, and would be using this for, we're not sure if we're gonna be planting strawberries here again or something else, but yeah, I kind of like this, and this is gonna be exciting. Can you believe that this carpet mat is only $1? I had to get 4 of them, and I think these are the same design. Yep, they're the same pattern, but I also got a different pattern. Like one is like beigey and the other one is like in blue color. So yeah, I am really excited to use this. I found this good home decors and I really like it. It's it's not plastic, it's wood, and it's actually sturdy, and it's only $1. So it's Home Love and Hope. I bought another love just in case I would be adding this to the gift baskets that I am planning to sell. And this one is I really like this candle holder. I actually forgot to get candles, but yeah, I mean, for $1, I think this is really a good deal. Like if I see this from Ross, I would probably be paying like $7 each, but it's only $2 for this too. So what more can I ask for? I also found this book, Hungry Girl, Clean and Hungry, all natural recipes for the foods you can't live without, by Lisa Lillian. And this is her. So it's interesting. I was like browsing through the recipes, and I think this is something that I can actually follow. And I think this is more of like making something that's on the healthier side. So for the crafting side, I bought a lot of organizers or storage boxes. As I started doing Cricut, there's just a lot of stuff that I need to store, and more of this, and they're always $1 each, which I think is still a good deal. Oh, another one. So I invested, I got a lot of wood crafts or wood canvases because I can use this as a canvas for my cricket stuff. So more of the ship. Some of wood crafts. Some towels. Some adhesives. This is going to be useful for paper crafting. More adhesives. So this one is bigger dots. You can see. Some magnets. And storage for, I'm not gonna use this for cosmetics. I'm gonna use this for my Cricut blades to organize it. Just got more ribbons. Some gemstone stickers. And a lot of the basket bags because I would be using this for gift baskets. And this is actually a loot bag, but I can probably use that for something else too. I also bought a cellophane wrap for gift baskets. And gift boxes for the accessories that I have been making and selling. So I just got a lot of those. Some photo frames, like acrylic displayed photo frames. I have a plan for this for like Cricut stuff, so hopefully it will be a good idea. I also bought a canvas panel. So this is 8x8. And the other one is, if you can see the size. Oh, it's 8x10. So this is the difference. And I bought more gift boxes to use for my Cricut projects that I'm going to sell. So Dollar Tree is really good for those stuff. I also have this frame, so this is a 4x6, and I got 2 of them. And 2 of the 8x10. So got another one of that. Sorry, I don't have a space anymore. But yeah, so 4x6 and 8x10, and I'm gonna be using that for crafting as well. More stuff that I'm going to use for crafting. This is for nail polish, but I would be using this for crafting purposes as well. And this one is a travel dressing container that I would also be using for crafting. cool. Okay, so for their Valentine's Day decors, I really think that Dollar Tree did step up their game, because they just have really cute and amazing Valentine's Day decors that actually, when you look into like TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Ross, like, you can actually, I think they would price this for like $10. They also have this red truck that instead of Christmas tree they put hearts in it, and I think it's really cute. Also, this love heart, I really like this design because it's so sophisticated and it's only $1. This is such a good deal. And also this one, I don't really need to DIY anymore because all their stuff are actually good to go and ready to be hanged. I also bought some Valentine's Day bins for storage. This one has heart details on it. It's quite big, you know. And I'll probably use this for gift baskets. Also bought some wine glasses. I think people hoarded wine glasses because these are the last ones. I think I bought the last 4 that's left in the store, so I think a lot of people are doing custom stuff already. So yep, just for $1 you can get some good canvas from the Dollar Tree. And of course, the good stuff. Sorry for the noise that I am making, but yeah. So I found this at the Dollar Tree, so I just get 2 of each. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell them or I'm gonna keep them for us, but this is a lot, so probably some of them I will be adding on the